Another round of applause, please. What a wonderful dance it was. And thank you all for coming. It looks wonderful. Did you like all the decorations done around this color everywhere? Wonderful. All these volunteers have worked day and night last couple of days to organize this thing. So we're so glad you're here. So now one of the traditions in Holi is Kavi Sammelan, right? Those who understand Hindi will enjoy this poem. So all this effort you saw, this poem is going to negate all of that. The Maharishi says what? After action comes what? Rest. This poem is all about rest. This great poet is going to talk about why rest is the most important thing. Okay? This is a poem that I learned when I was about 10 years old. And it stayed with me because a couple of lines are just wonderful, and I thought this would be a great poem. It is in Hindi, as you would expect, but I will translate it for you so you have a good understanding of what it means. The title is Aram Karo, Aram Karo. Take rest, take rest. Okay? So this is actually tradition in India to do Holi Sammelan. So I thought we will do this. There are two kinds of poems done just to complete the background. Either Hasya Kavita, which is humor, which is what I'm going to do, or even the Veer Ras, which is poetry of courage and nationalism. So this is Aram Karo by Gopal Prasad Vyas. Okay, and he just died in 2005, so it's a fairly contemporary poet. And this is set in the 60s, so I'll give you context for the fun here. Okay, Aram Karo. Ek mitra mile, bole, लाला किस चक्की का खाते हो, इस 1.5 छटांग के राशन में भी तोन बढ़ाए जाते हो. So what it says is, how many of you understand Hindi? Oh my God! So please, bear with me. I'll make sure others understand too. So it's saying one friend tells another one, my friend, what kind of food are you eating? In this 2 ounces of food, you're sort of building a big paunch. And then continues with this thing saying, क्या रखा है मांस बढ़ाने में मनहूस, अकल से काम करो, संक्रांति काल की बेला है, मर मिटो, जगत में नाम करो. So continue to say, hey, what's the point in just sitting there and just building bulk? You should go out, work hard, and make name for yourself in the country. So then response comes. हम बोले, I said, रहने दो lecture, पुरुषों को मत बदनाम करो. इस दौड़ धूप में क्या रखा? आराम करो, आराम करो. So what he's saying is, the response is, forget, don't lecture me, okay? Don't malign man, real man. What is the point of all this effort running around here, there? Take rest, take rest. So now he's going to talk about what's the benefit, what are the benefits. आराम जिंदगी की कुंजी, इससे न तपेदिक होती है, आराम सुधा की एक बूंद तन का दुबलापन खोती है. What it means is that just resting takes away all your diseases, right? Very often doctors say take rest, so that's what it is. And just one drop of the nectar of rest will give you such bliss, and you will sort of not be thin. This is all coordinated. The thing is going to stretch. Now, this is the line why I remember the poem. Listen. Aram shabd mein Ram छिपा. Lord Ram, he said, Aram shabd mein Ram छिपा. जो भव बंधन को खोता है, आराम शब्द का ज्ञाता तो विरला ही योगी होता है. So what it means is, the word Aram is so important. It's got the Lord Ram hidden in there. And the name of Ram leads to release of all your addictions and attachments and all that stuff, gives you bliss. And further, the knower of the real meaning of Aram is a rare yogi, which means I am like that. इसलिए तुम्हें समझाता हूँ, मेरे अनुभव से काम करो, यह जीवन यौवन क्षण भर आराम करो, आराम करो. So I'm saying, okay, so therefore, follow my experience. This life, this youth is all temporary. Just take rest, take rest. Now he says, what if you really have to do? यदि करना ही कुछ पड़ जाए, तो अधिक ना तुम उत्पात करो. अपने घर में बैठे बैठे बस लंबी लंबी बात करो. What it means is if you are forced to do something, don't just move around too much effort. Just sitting at home itself, just talk long dialogues, long things, just go into long conversations. करने धरने में क्या रखा? करने धरने में क्या रखा? जो रखा बात बनाने में, जो होठ हिलाने में रस है, वो कभी ना हाथ हिलाने में. Well, it says, what's there? What's the fun in basically moving around and raising hands? What the biggest nectar is in moving your lips. तुम मुझसे पूछो, बतलाऊं, है मजा मूर्ख कहलाने में, जीवन जागृति में क्या रखा? जो रखा है सो जाने में. Says, I'm happy to be called fool, but I realize that there's nothing in enlightenment, anything. The real fun is in sleeping.
Amen.
Maybe that's why I remember. मैं यही सोचकर पास अकल के कम ही जाया करता हूँ, जो बुद्धिमान जन होते हैं उनसे कतराया करता हूँ. Which means, with this philosophy in mind, I don't really use my brain and really go to people who are intellectuals. दिए जलने से पहले ही मैं घर आ जाया करता हूँ, जो मिलता है खा लेता हूँ, चुपके सो जाया करता हूँ. So what happens is that I come home before lights come on, quickly eat what's available, and then quietly go to sleep. मेरी गीता में लिखा हुआ, Bhagavad Gita. So he's saying my Bible or my Bhagavad Gita. In my Gita is written, मेरी गीता में लिखा हुआ, सच्चे योगी जो होते हैं वे कम से कम 12 घंटे तो बेफिक्री से सोते हैं. What is it in my Bhagavad Gita? According to my Bible, it says the real yogi, the real enlightened people are those who at least sleep 12 hours every day without worrying. You all want that Bible? Yeah. The Bhagavad Gita. अद्वैन खिंची खाट पर जो पढ़ते ही आनंद आता है, वह 7 स्वर्ग अपवर्ग मोक्ष से भी ऊंचा उठ जाता है. What it means that essentially that as soon as I fall on my bed, the level of bliss is way bigger than reaching 7th heaven. जब सुख की नींद कढ़ा तकिया इस सर के नीचे आता है, when my favorite pillow embroidered saying sweet dreams comes under my head, जब सुख की नींद कढ़ा तकिया इस सर के नीचे आता है, तो सच कहता हूँ इस सर में इंजन जैसा लग जाता है. Means when I'm resting on my favorite pillow, believe me, my mind just starts racing like an engine or like train engine. मैं मेल ट्रेन हो जाता हूँ, बुद्धि भी चक चक करती है, भावों का रश हो जाता है, कविता सब उमड़ी पड़ती है. So what he's saying is, I have flow of emotions, flow of energy, and what happens is poetry comes out of me. So the benefit of rest is poetry. Last stanza, मैं औरों की तो नहीं, बात पहले अपनी ही लेता हूँ. मैं पड़ा खाट पर बूटों की उपमा देता हूँ. Same thing. Now this is another favorite word. मैं खट रागी हूँ. Rag means love. Khat means khatiya, bed. I'm a lover of beds. मैं खट रागी हूँ, मुझको तो खटिया में गीत फूटते हैं. I'm such a lover of bed. My poetry only arises out of me during bed times. छत की कड़ियाँ गिनते It's like while counting all the things on my ceiling, छंदों के बंद फूटते हैं. While I counting them, just verses just flow out of me. मैं इसीलिए तो कहता हूँ, मेरे अनुभव से काम करो. ये खाट बिछा लो आंगन में, बैठो लेटो आराम करो. Just lay down the bed in